Hey, what, you don't want it? You say you want it. See? Sticker. Sticker. Don't want it? Fine. Don't want it? You want it on the forehead. You got spider and candy. And pumpkin. What's wrong with this boy? Are you nuts? More? Okay, I'll give you this. This is, what's that called? Skeleton? There you go. Yes, that's it. Hey. Yeah, that doesn't fit. It doesn't stick. That one doesn't stick, baby. I know you're trying really hard. And I think you're doing great. But yeah, this still stick. See? This doesn't stick. Fine. Let's go in trash can. See, this should go stick. See? Skeleton on your face. Oh, you put it on my mommy jeans. This does not stick because I didn't take the tape off. But you think it stick. I don't know. What are you thinking? I'm sure you're thinking something. Yeah, and you probably don't know you have spider on your forehead. Do you know that? Do you know that? Do you know that? And you just ignore me, huh? Toma. Do. Hi. Can you show? Can you look at me? Look at the camera and kiss. Kiss. Do. No, your hands is full. Huh? Yeah. Yes. That. Kiss, mommy. Do. No, fine then. Then bye.